In the modern world, there's so much stuff that we could do just by knowing the tools and gadgets and apps that exist. Hey fam, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, I'm Suleiman, an MBA from Startlight Business School and son of two photographers. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how this camera is a mind-blowing experience. It comes from Insta360, which is a company, and this is the X series. They have X1, X2, and X3. The one which I'm using at the moment is the X2, but the experience is almost the same. So first thing, if I just take out this camera, and now it's connected to my iPad. Here you go. You're looking at me. And if I turn this camera upside down, nothing happens. No changes. If I flip it, nothing. This is called a horizon lock. I don't know how they do it, but it's something amazing. I never knew cameras like these, i.e. 360, existed. And the gold standard in action cameras used to be the GoPros, the Hero series or whatever. But they're nowhere compared to this camera because it has two cameras. So what it does is it captures everything from this side, and it stitches everything in between. So it's like a globe of camera or a view that you're carrying in your hand. No normal other camera can do this. This has disrupted the action camera market. Why would somebody buy this? First of all, you do need sometimes a secondary camera. Like, for example, when you're shooting yourself with a mobile phone, you need another camera to shoot yourself while doing that. Secondly, it's an action camera, so it's light. You don't need to have your iPhone or Android out all the time. And another reason would be you can damage your action camera. I'm not saying that you should, but it's much better than damaging your expensive iPhone or whatever. Now this camera has some amazing angles. The first person videos, for example, in which you can show the work that you're doing. You just have to strap the camera to your chest or to your head, and it would shoot the video in a first person view. Or if you like, which is my personal favorite, you can just use a selfie stick, which is an invisible selfie stick. It knows how to clear it out or stitch it out of the video. And you can get some amazing view of you walking with a camera right behind you. And this is especially useful when you don't have anybody with you to shoot your videos or take pictures for you. Reason number 4 to have this is you can shoot and edit later, and the ease of doing it right on your phone rather than on a laptop or a desktop or even your iPad makes it just so much easy to edit your videos and just ship them out, put them on Instagram or Facebook or whatever you like to use. It has some amazing presets that you can use. One of the things that it helps the most is that it records every angle. So you can just set it up and do whatever you want, move wherever you want, and in the end, just edit the angles that you wanted for the video completely in post-production, i.e. in the app. Some of my favorite shots cannot be shot other than from this camera, like drone shots or the street lapse, just a time lapse with you define time. This camera makes it super easy to edit and render in super fast exporting and working on keyframes, and you don't need anything other than just the smartphone app. So you can get creative with this and keep people astonished on how you took those pictures or videos. I hope this has been informative for all of you, and I would like to thank you all for watching. Bye-bye.